Again, let me say something. Only one sloka I'll explain. Yeah, heard so much regarding Shiva and Parvati. Parvati was the spouse of Shiva. Now, what is Tantra? In Tantra there are two portions, Agam and Nigam. Agam and Nigam are just like two wings of a bird. Agam is the philosophical questions and Nigam is the practical cult. Cult side is Nigam and cult side is Agam, not Nigam, and the philosophical side is Nigam. They are just like two wings of a bird, and the bird is Tantra. Agatam Shiva Bhaktrebhya Gatam Cha Girijashrutau Matam Cha Vasudevasya Tasmad Agama Uchyate. Parvati asked and Shiva gave the reply. Now one question of Parvati was, O Lord, what are the secrets of success? Many people do many a thing, but all are not successful in their life. What's the secret of success? Shiva said, there are 7 secrets. फलिष्यति विश्वास सिद्धे प्रथम लक्षणम द्वितीयं श्रद्धया युक्तम तृतीयं गुरुपूजनम चतुर्थो समता भाव पंचमेन्द्रिय निग्रह षष्ठम च प्रमिताहार सप्तमं नैव विद्यते. I must be successful in my mission. This firm determination is the first factor. This firm determination is the first requisite factor out of those 7 factors. And what is this firm determination? Nindantu niti nipuna yadi vastu vantu lakshmi samavishatu gacchatu vayyatestam adyaiva maranamastu yugantare avanyayat patha pratichalanti padam nadhira prarabhyate na khalu vigna vayana nichai prarabdha vigna vyata viramanti madhya vignair muhur muhurapi pratyanyamana prarabdha muttama janana parityajanti. What I am going to do regarding this mission of my life? If the logicians and philosophers condemn me, say that he is a very bad man, let them say like this. Or due to my mission, due to my movement towards my goal, if certain portions of the society appreciate my action, let them appreciate it. It won't affect me. I won't be assailed by such appreciations. And due to my action, if Lakshmi is the mythological goddess of riches, if Lakshmi comes and resides in my house, it is good. If Lakshmi says, no, I will quit you forever, I won't remain with you, that is, you will have to suffer from poverty, let Lakshmi quit my house. And due to my course of action, due to my ideology, if the Pluto, that is the god of death, comes and say, I will take you, let Pluto do it. I don't care a pig for it. Or due to my course of action, due to my ideology, if I am forced to live here for an indefinite period, I am ready to live here. You know, the life becomes bored if one lives for a long period. But I am ready to undergo that boring, that monotony, for the sake of my ideology. I know that amongst human beings there are three categories. The third category, they won't undertake any responsibility for fear of being defeated. They are the third category. And second category, they undertake the duty and responsibility, but when they face the reactions, the inimical forces come forward and harass him, they drop the work. They are the second category of people. And the third category, and the first category, that is the best category, they say that once I have undertaken the duty, I will do it. I will get the work fully complied with. Before that I won't take any rest. So this is the, what I said, firm determination. It is the first requisite factor, as Lord Shiva said. Felicity vishwasa siddhet prathama lakshanam advaitiyam saddhaya yuktam. A man must have saddha for his ideology. What is Shraddha? Shraddha is an old, very old Vedic term. Yes, it is an old Vedic term. Shraddha means, Srat means recognized status of veracity. You should remember it. Srat means recognized status of veracity. And Dha means movement towards it. That is when that ideological goal has been accepted, all my mights, all my propensities should move on to that goal. It is Shraddha. Ityam Shraddhaya Yuktam Trityam Guru Pujanam. I must have reverence for the Guru. What is Guru? Gu means darkness. That is darkness in psycho-spiritual sphere. And Du means dispelling agent. That is he who dispels darkness from my psychic and spiritual body is Guru. Gu means darkness, Ru means dispeller. Turityam Guru Pujanam. That is, he must have respect for the Guru. Chaturtho samata bhavo. And the fourth requisite factor is that you must maintain a mental equilibrium, rather equipoise. That is, you must not suffer from any sorts of inferiority complex or superiority complex or defeatist complex or a complex of hopelessness, despair. That is, your mind should always be in a balanced condition. Chaturtho samata bhavo. This is the fourth factor, fourth requisite factor. You must not suffer from inferiority complex nor from superiority complex. Chaturtho samata bhava panchamendriya nigraha. You must have self-restraint. Without self-restraint, nothing concrete can be done. The Panchamendriya Nigraha, fifth requisite factor. You should remember these factors. Panchamendriya Shashtang cha Pramitahara. And the sixth is Pramitahara. That is balanced diet, balanced food. You must not take this much. You should take this much, but that food should be substantial one, and not only that, it should be good for your body, mind and spirit. Meat and other animal products may be good for body, but not good for mind and spirit. So yours should be a careful selection of food. It is called Pramitahara. Sasthancha Pramitahara. Pramita means balanced, ahara means food. Sasthancha Pramitahara. And the seventh, Lord Shiva says, he said there are 7 factors. Now he says Saptamam Naiva Vidyate. There is no 7th factor. You should remember these 7 factors. These are the secrets of success. And then let me say something, only one sloka.